Denied. Robert, what do you want to buy?
Hi, Susie. Natasha and I want to take a 2-week African safari for our 15th anniversary. It's our dream vacation. We've been thinking about it for the past 5 years and really want to go.
All right, and it's going to cost you $10,000 to go on the safari. Where exactly are you going to go?
We're probably going to go to like Kenya, Tanzania, that type of area.
Listen, if you go to Tanzania, if I approve you here, make sure you go to the Ngorongoro crater. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Worth every single piece of energy and money it takes to get there. Do you hear me, boyfriend? Show me the money.
All right. We bring home $5,100 a month combined.
Yeah.
We have a 30-year fixed mortgage, a balance of $503,000. We have about $82,000 in savings and $367,000 in retirement.
And you're 40 years of age.
Yeah.
And just out of curiosity, do you have cars?
We have one car that's paid off, and I have a work vehicle.
All right, and on the one car that's paid off, can you tell me how many miles is on it?
It's about $180,000.
Oh, so you're going to need a new car here very shortly, are you not?
Yeah.
So have you factored that into this?
No, because that's like next year.
Now, next year. So you're just thinking about, oh, I'm going to go on safari this year, and I'm not going to think about the fact that I may need to spend $20,000 or $30,000 or whatever it is on a new car. Do you have life insurance on yourself, by the way?
No.
No, so you haven't taken care of that either, have you, boyfriend?
No, not yet.
No, so here you're going to go in a safari where things can happen and you haven't done that. Here's the deal. I love you very much. I love that you've been together as long as you have. And you're asking Susie Orman again if you can spend $10,000 to go away. And do you have enough money to do so is the question. I am so sorry to say you have also been approved.
Yeah.
You do have enough, but here's what I want you to do. Just make sure that you get the term life insurance that you need in place, just God forbid something were to happen to you. All right.